In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add the real Google reviews on your Wix website. So it's very simple. All you have to do is just follow each and every single step that I'm showing you right here. So let's get started. Now for that, we need to sign up on this ELF site, ELF site. This is an external application. As you can see, I'm on a different website. Just quickly sign up from here. And from here, you will find all of these widgets that can be attached to the Wix website. Now, after that, just click on the widgets and you can find it right from here. But if you want to just search it directly, you can just click on see all widgets right at the corner. And from here, just write Google reviews, hit enter, although we can see it here as well. Now just click here. And on the right hand corner, also on the left hand side, you will see this create widget for free. No credit card needed. That's perfect. Click on create now for free. So here I have different styles that I can choose. As you can see here, this is one style, this is one style. So however you want to see and add your Google reviews, you can do that. So for example, I like this one. And we have many more here as well. As you can see here, that if you want to check and scroll, you will find a lot of options right here. It also depends on the theme of your website. Whatever suits, you can install that. So let's add the simple carousel. Now let's click on continue with this template and we can simply add the business name and address. So let's search for a business here. Click on search and here we have it. Click on add. Now we need to make sure that it is registered on Google My Business. Otherwise it won't be showing it here. Now, as we can see that all of these reviews are real reviews that people have given on that particular link or on that particular business. So click on add to website for free. It's saving your widget. And after that, we haven't created the sign up for this website. So it might ask for the sign up. And as we can see that widgets is created, you can sign up to embed the widget. You can just sign up with continue with Google. You can sign up with Facebook and whatever email do you have. So let's click on continue with Google. And we have chosen our account, click on continue. Now after that, you can click on the publish on the right corner right here. It will publish. It will show you all these options that you can get. So we are opting for the free plan, unlimited websites, one widget is available. We cannot create more widgets here, 200 views. So click on select and there it's gonna give you an embedded code. You can just copy and paste this code into the desired place for your website, whatever it is. So let's copy this code. And as we can see, all of these platforms are supported here, whether it's Shopify, Wix, GoDaddy, wherever you want it. So let's go to the editor mode on the Wix website. Now just click on the element section from here and here use the search function and just write here HTML because this is a code we need to paste it somewhere, right? And let's click on embed here. And let's now select HTML, embed HTML. And now you can just paste this and click on update. And after some time, it's giving you a little box right here. And as you can see that we have the Google reviews right here. So let's close it here. Let's add a new section to our page. So for example, I want a new section to be created. Let's add it. So click on the section right here and let's select basics, for example. And let's choose, let's say this one. Now, if you want to move this section downwards or upwards, you can move that. So for example, I want to place just at the bottom, right after this section. Here it looks nice. Now I'll just copy this widget, cut it actually, and paste it right here in this section. Now we can increase the size of it. And there we have it. Now let's change the background, because we are unable to see this. So let's change it to a simple color, just like this one or which one or anyone that you like. So like this, and there we have it. Now we can adjust according to our size requirements, whatever you like. And now the people can get here and see all of your reviews about your business. So that's how you do it. After that, just make sure you save everything. It's automatically saved basically. So that's pretty much it. This is how you can do it.